I don't have to push really hard, which is always the issue with waterline stuff. Nude eyeliner.
What's the point of nude eyeliner if you can't see it? Is it a bit like nude tights?
I think nude eyeliner is going to be...
Oh, like on your waterline. Okay. So like makes your eyes look brighter.
Interesting product, but has to have a lot of shades, which inevitably makeup never does. Or certainly my skin tone, I really struggle to find anything nude that really works. So I like it, but will be surprised if I could use it.
Okay, so this is by Nude Stix, and Stix is spelt S-T-I-X because it's modern. And it's called Moon.
So I am trying Diego de la Palma. It's a skin colour eye pencil. Now, I don't know anybody whose skin colour is this colour.
So, surprise, surprise, found a nude liner, which I think will work with my skin tone. Now, because it's MAC, it's called an NC42 NW35.
So I am trying Rimmel Scandalise in nude. So I haven't done any of this sort of eyeliner. I always do it on the top, but I never do it in my eye. But apparently I've got to do it in my eye. Right, okay.
Anyone else get really tickly sensation when it gets really close to your tear duct?
So what I like already is it's not greasy or creamy, which is good, which means I can apply it really well. And actually sort of works for my skin tone.
Yeah, you can definitely see the difference between this eye and this eye. This eye looks much brighter.
Kind of get it? Yeah, kind of get it. So would I wear it? Yeah, I think I probably would actually.
Didn't think I'd find something that was work with my skin tone, so I'm really pleased. It goes on really well. And certainly in the new year, when I'm feeling slightly down in the dumps because it's grey January, this will definitely help make my eyes look brighter.
I would wear this if there was ever an event that I turned up to work hungover, which I'd never do because I'm incredibly professional. But if that did happen, I would wear it because I think it does make my eyes look a bit brighter and a bit less tired and red looking.
Yeah, actually, I thought this was going to look ridiculous on me because it's so light. But actually, yeah, I think that's quite nice.
Anything that's going to sort of open my eyes and make them look a bit fresher is, you know, good in my book, especially this time of year when you need all the help you can get, really.